So you want your videos to be seen or watched? Have a banger video but no clicks? Well, not to worry. With this tutorial, you should be able to catch your audience's attention with captivating thumbnails and hook them in.
So why do we need good thumbnails? Well, it's simple. When people see a high quality thumbnail, they'll perceive it as a high quality video. High quality thumbnail equals high quality video. So here's what you need. 1. Subject. The subject, not to be confused with the people of a kingdom or a dumb's partner, because that's an object, is the main topic of the video, and you want to make sure that that element is in your thumbnails. So for this thumbnail example, I would need to add a good thumbnail to the thumbnail, and then, wait, hang on, but then that thumbnail would have to have also a good thumbnail, because it's going to be showing good thumbnails, and then, but then that thumbnail, there's like some sort of paradox here, so I'm just going to skip to the next step, which is 2. Text. Make sure to add text as it acts like a second title. Make sure the text in the title is different from the title from the video, but it still invokes the same feel. So for this video, the title is going to be called How to Make a Good Thumbnail. So for the text for this thumbnail will be Good Thumbnail. And I think this will really captivate the viewers. So when making a thumbnail, just remember this simple phrase. Text feels like sex. 3. Face. Now we need to add the personality. You know, you. So make sure you are prepped up and give us your best thumbnail face. 3, 2, 1. Not that. More Mr. Beast style. Perfect. Now you got these 3 aspects, it's time to put into practice. I spent days, months, years perfecting the art of the thumbnail. I poured my blood, sweat, and tears into this. Now I will make a thumbnail that will rival the greats. Ensure that I will create the greatest goddamn thumbnail ever. And that's how you make a good thumbnail. Bye.